All right, once we're inside the Systems Accelerator Manager, we're going to navigate to the Outbox. Now, what you're going to see on this screen is something very familiar to a lot of the other screens that we've been looking at this far. So far, on the left-hand side, I have it organized based on past due, upcoming, sent, and then all of our drafts for any of the messages that maybe we haven't made it to yet are going to fall in that order. Now, the reason we built it this way is because ultimately speaking, this is kind of how we want to prioritize the things. Anything past due that should have been done already through the actions inside the activities of our routines, that's going to be at the very top because those should take precedent. But after that, we've got upcoming or things that Sam is going to be working to send, or we can also review our sent messages. Now, something really cool that we built into the upcoming as well as the sent is because you might want to kind of look ahead into the future, you can do that. So if you click on the upcoming little three dots, what you're going to be able to do is set the number of days that you're going to be able to view. So currently I've got 8 days into the future that it's going to be looking at for upcoming. Now, if I wanted to back that down to just 3, I could set that down to 3. Now, because this message sends tomorrow, it doesn't really change. Now, the same goes for sent, but the difference with sent is it's actually going to be going backwards. So this is the number of days into the past, currently being 5, but maybe we wanted to look 7 days into the past. What if we sent this last week? And now we can look at that. So these are really cool ways for us to kind of adjust our view to keep the outbox nice and organized for us. Now, the other thing that we can also do is on the top right-hand side, we can use a couple filters. Now, these are pretty common. You might recognize them from other areas inside SAM, but you can use a filter select by a date range, and you can use that date range to help filter out your outbox. Now, the other thing that you can do, if you click this X, it's going to remove that filter, and you can filter by specific areas or groups of specific areas. So maybe I only want to see my drafts, and I also only want to see the sent items. Now I can filter by all of this, and I can see each and every one of those.